Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve tax law insights with H&R Block. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the H&R Block website. Look for the resources or insights section. Click on the link that indicates tax law updates. Review the latest changes in tax legislation. Familiarize yourself with key terms mentioned in the updates. Next, sign up for H&R Block's newsletters. This will ensure you receive timely updates directly in your inbox. Consider enrolling in online webinars offered by H&R Block. These sessions often cover complex tax topics in detail. Take notes during these webinars for future reference. Utilize H&R Block's tax calculator tools available online. These tools help estimate potential tax liabilities based on the new laws. Access H&R Block's tax guides. These guides provide comprehensive explanations of tax law changes. Join forums or community discussions hosted by H&R Block. Engaging with other users can enhance your understanding. If needed, schedule a consultation with an H&R Block tax professional. Their expertise can clarify any uncertainties you may have. Regularly review IRS publications and documents linked on the H&R Block site. Staying informed through official sources is essential. Lastly, keep a personal journal of your insights and observations. This will help track your understanding over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.